most of the bottles that we use have a thread over here so that it gets interlocked with the cap. So let's see this feature in Fusion 360. I can go for Create and Thread option. I first need to select the face about which the thread is needed. So this is a neck of the bottle where I need the thread. Now this is only the texture that it is creating. If I say OK, you can see that this is only the kind of image for representation of the thread that it is going to paste. But I actually need it to be protruded out. So what I'm doing is I'm going to right click and edit feature, and I want it to be modeled. Okay, so now you can see the cut clearly. But I actually do not need a cut, but it has to be a cut in the cap but a protrusion on the neck. So I have to increase this size from 62 to, say, because I have a 2 mm shell, I'll go for 64. So that this portion is not cut. I'm going for 65 so that it is outside, and you can see this thread over here. And in bottles, if you see, the complete neck does not have a thread. So what I can do is I can switch off this full length option. From where I need the thread, I need it only at the bottom. Okay. I can probably move it over here. This is going to increase my width and diameter. So I think these two will be enough. So you can see how my thread has been formed. Now while we design a cap, of course we are not going to do that. We need to keep the same isometric profile or whatever you have kept the thread over here, even on the cap also, so that these two will interlock properly. Generally it is right hand, and these are the different designations available for thread. I hope adding a thread is clear to you. Let's see one more kind of bottle in our next video.